Well, the workbench was taken up with a bunch of stuff, so we're going to try cutting keys here outside on this extra piece of cardboard box here from the floor mats I had. So get it all set up so it's in a line, back and forth. Just need to go up and down and forward and back here and grind away and have another set of keys for the new project truck. Alright, just got done making the top pass here, and I'm going to flip this over and do the bottom. Made the second pass. I'm going to take this out of the vise and clean it up a little bit with a file, compare it to the original, try it in the truck, and make the second one. So it all looks good. Got all three keys cut now. This is the original Ford one. This is the aftermarket, and that's the aftermarket. Did have to notch out these a little bit more because the bit that I was using wasn't small enough to get inside of the cut on the bottom of the V in these cut grooves. So didn't take much, just a little bit of file. Otherwise it cut 99% of it. Works good. We're going to get these programmed. Doing the add keys on these key blanks to make sure that they actually take, and once they take, I'm going to have to kind of redo the whole process, do it all keys lost, erase everything because we have one missing key from the system. All right, we got 2 learned keys, and my last key. Should not have to do a countdown for this one. Just did. Okay, now that's it. Now I'm going to do the lost keys, or all keys lost, to erase the extra key here. So we're going to do a quick rescan. First, it's going to show a fault because we got the key programming going on. Yeah, we don't have 4 keys, so we're going to do all keys lost. Need at least 2 keys. It's going to erase everything out of the system, and now it's going to wait another 10 minutes. Alright, well, see you in another 10 minutes. Previously I had 4 keys, which one didn't exist, so we're going to erase those. And we have 0. Truck's not going to do anything. Alright, so ignition off, on, and then turn it off. Next key, turn it on, 50 seconds, turn it off. And it's never worked for the 3rd key. I doubt it will this time either. Yeah, didn't work for that last one. Never has. That line, repeat step 3, not really true. So we have 2 functional keys. I'm going to say that one's going to be 2. Oh, look at that. 2 keys. Well, I have to wait another 10 minutes. So we can add the 3rd key. It's been 10 minutes. Learn that 3rd key here. Now finally that 4th key is out of the system. We make sure everything works. Scan everything. Make sure you still got 3 keys in our system. Start this truck up. And then make sure that these key fob buttons work. Okay, we got everything. We're going to erase the fault codes because that was just from programming.